Trying to replace PTO lever on Cub Cadet mower.
What's the make and model of the mower? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Mower is about 2 years old, 1040 XLT.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I already have the new lever, just can't figure out how to remove it. Hello? It's a Cub Cadet lawn tractor 46 inches cut XT1. Model number is DOM August 2, 2015. Trying to replace blade engagement lever assembly.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. The lever has a lock pin, called a bow tie pin. This pin is like a safety pin. You have to remove the pin. Then the shaft will pull out. https://www.google.com/search Q equals Cub plus Cadet plus 714-204-040 and RLZ equals 1C1CHCL underscore ENA 757 A 757 and Oak equals Cub plus Cadet plus 714-204-040 and Axe equals Chrome.69 I57 and Sourceseed equals Chrome and E equals UTF-8.
You must be looking at a different model. Think I already figured it out.
That's why you should always use the long model number. There are so many different variations.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.